took off and made me have to hunt for you. But you took off with my cane. You dirty little bird. Okay, there he is. He's been pushing himself around in his wheelchair with his feet.
So,
This vendor was explaining to me how he had moved to a booth in Yardbird after having owned an antique business in downtown Seattle.
Somebody wanted the building, so I sold it.
3 of them.
Yeah.
Well, my trip to Yardbirds was very successful. I went there looking for a picture to hang on a wall that would go with another picture I already had. And unbelievably, I found one that was an exact match. So the only thing that I will change is the frame. So thanks for watching. And so now we're heading home. Bye.